Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel Creative Hands by Shay. So today I'm back with another video. This time I will be making a breast cancer awareness ribbon. So I just wanted to show my appreciation to all these affected women out there that have been going through this illness. I just want to tell you to keep strong, keep praying, and hold your head high. Just keep strong, and you've got this. You can fight this and you can beat this. With the help of God, you will overcome. I just want to tell someone out there that you will overcome this obstacle in your life. So guys, let's jump in the video. So to begin, I will be using a 3.5mm crochet hook. I am using this size 4 medium weight acrylic yarn, and I will be going ahead and chaining, I'm going to chain 36. So I'm just going to continue doing that until I get to my 36, and I'll meet back up with you. So now I have come to my 36 chain, and I am going to go ahead and chain one more, and I'm going to turn my work. So I have in total 37, and you're going to skip this first stitch and you're going to start single crochet in the back loops here. So you should have a total of 36 single crochets. So go ahead and make your single crochets in the back loop, and I will meet you back at the end. So now I have come to the end of making my chains, and I'm going to chain one. I'm saying chain, sorry, but to the end of making my single crochets. Chain one and turn, and you're going to go into your first stitch there, yarn over and make a single crochet, go back into the next one, go back into the next one, and continue doing that until you get to the end, and I'll meet you there. So now I have come to my last stitch here, and now what I'm going to do is I am going to join another color. So I'm going to use white to kind of like do a little piping, something like that. So I'm just going to pull my hook out, and to attach this color, what I'm going to do is I am going to go into these front loops here. I'm going to pull up this through, and I'm going to pull down on my pink one so that I am right into that loop now. So I am going to go ahead and give this a tie just to make sure that it is secured, and I'm going to cut my pink yarn off. I'm going to chain one and turn. And what I'm going to do now is I am going to be doing slip stitches. So I'm just going to go in, pull up a loop, and make a slip stitch. In, pull up a loop, and slip stitch. And we're going to continue doing that right around the edges of the ribbon here. This is a very quick and simple and easy tutorial. So I'm just going to continue doing that until I get to here, and I'll show you how to get onto this side. So now I have reached to my last stitch there, and I'm just going to go into this part here, right at the edge, and I'm going to make another slip stitch. I am going to go right onto the edges and make slip stitches. Right around. And I'm going to continue making slip stitches. I will show you how to weave in the tails, so don't worry about that. So continue to make your slip stitches right around, and I will meet you back up here. So now I am back at the end here, and I'm just gonna go into the end part and finish off my slip stitch. And what I'm going to do is I am going to go over this this part here where we join our yarn, and I'm just going to go in there and make our slip stitch. So go right into that part there, underneath that stitch, and finish off that slip stitch there. Now we're going to cut our yarn, pull that through, and that actually completes most of, well, completes most of the work. Now we're going to go ahead and weave in our tails. And I am just going to go through here and go under cut that off, and that's one tail gone. And 3 more to go. So now I'm just going to go into here. You're just basically going anywhere just to tidy up your work. Just gonna go under. I'm basically going under the stitches to hide, because this part won't be shown. This will be in the back. It is. Now I can cut that off, and you can go ahead and weave in this part here into the pink, but for this one let me just show you how to weave in this one here, since it has a bump. So I am just gonna go make sure that your needle is underneath the stitch here, and I'm just gonna pull that up as tight as I can. See? And I'm gonna go under over this side. And just finish weaving the tail in. And then cut that off. So I'm going to do the other one off camera, and I'll meet back up with you to show you what to do next. So now I have done making my ribbon so far, and I have woven all my tails. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to do our fold. So you're going to fold it so that it is even. Just like that. And we are going to do a tack there. So I'm just going to go in with my needle and thread and do my tacking on. Make sure you go back into that same hole and just kind of lean towards the side, but not going straight down, if you understand what I'm saying. Like when you are pushing your needle in, instead of going straight, you can slant it a little bit. I'm just going to make another knot. And after I've done that, I have my safety pin. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to sew this part down. And now I'm just going to give it a tie and secure what we just did. So give it another tie. And cut that excess thread off. And voila, it is now completed. This is what it looks like so far, and it's looking cute, and it is ready to be worn. Showing your support to all the affected females out there who have been suffering from breast cancer. Guys, I hope you like this little tutorial, and I hope that it was straightforward and easy to follow. It's just a simple tutorial, and it means a lot to show support for all the breast cancer victims out there. Guys, I thank you so much for watching my videos all the time. I really appreciate you watching my videos. So guys, until next time, bye.